Today we are going to discuss question number 6 of exercise 2.5. Now the question is asked like this: find the place value of 2 in 2.56, 21.37, 10.25, 9.42, 63.352. Now before starting the question, I am explaining this one example to you. The example is like this here. The number is 917.345. What is the example? The number is 917.345. Now in this, we will see the place values of the different digits. So what is the place value of 7 here? It is ones. It is just before decimal. Like this, it comes ones, then comes tens, then comes hundred. You know the place value system already. Now this comes here tenth, E-N-T-H-S, tenths. This comes hundred, and this comes thousands. Right here, let me once again I say you, this is ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds, and this is tenths, this is thousands, and this is hundreds. Now the first part, it is given the first part 2.56. So we have to find the place value of 2. The place value of 2 in 2.56 is, you can see here it is 2 just before decimal. So what is the place value? It is ones. So the answer is ones. 21.37. So 21 here instead of 2, here it is ones. You can see, so it comes here tens. What is here? Tens. Now 10.25. 10.25. Just after decimal, what is the place value? It is T-E-N-T-H, tenth. It is T-E-N-T-H, tenth. Now, I think this first, second, third part is clear to you. Now, fourth part, it is 9.42. What is this part here? 9.42. So you can see it comes here. What is after decimal? It is tenth. It is hundredth. So H-U-N-D-R-E-D-T-H-S, hundredth. You can see. Same way here in this place value of 2 is 63.352. So it comes 10, 100, then 1000. So it is 1000. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D-T-H. 1000. Now, question number 6 is over here. I think it is clear to you. First answer is ones. Second answer is tens. The next answer is tenth. Here is 100, here is 1000. Now I am moving on question number 7. Now Dinesh went from place A to place B. You can see I had drawn the diagram. So here this is the distance traveled by Dinesh from place A to place B. It is 7.5 km. What is the A? 7.5 km. Now he is traveling from B to C. That is 12.7 km. How much? 12.7 km. Now, there is other boy named as Ayub. He is traveling from A to D. The distance is 9.3 km, and from D to C it is 11.8 km. So this is the path A to B, B to C is taken by Dinesh, and Ayub traveled from A to D, from D to C. Now, what is the question? You can see question is asked here like this. The question is who traveled more and by how much? You have to find out who traveled more by how much. So you can see now we have to do the find total distance from A to C in the both the ways. So in the first distance traveled by Dinesh, I am finding. So it is AB plus BC. AB plus BC. So AB is how much? 7.5 km. And BC is how much? It is 12.7 km. Now, what is the answer of 7.5 plus 12.7? When we do the addition of decimal, always below decimal to decimal should come. So 5 plus 7, 12. 1 carry, it comes here 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 1 carry, it comes 20.2. What is the answer? 20.2 km. Now, distance traveled by IU. Distance traveled by IU. It is AD plus DC. So, AD is how much? 9.3 kilometer plus DC is 11.8 kilometer. 11.8 kilometer. So, it is how much? 9.3 plus 11.8. I am doing here in the rough part. So, you can see 9.3 plus 11.8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. And it comes here. 1 carry here, 21.1. So, what is the answer? 21.1 kilometer is the answer. Now, you can compare these two. But who has traveled more? IU traveled more. So, therefore, IU traveled more distance. And how much he traveled? So you can see we have to find the difference. So I will find the difference now. To 21.1 minus 20.2. So you can see it is not possible to 1 minus 2. So I will borrow 1 from here. This will become 11. 11 minus 2. What is the answer? 9. And this will be 0. So it will come here 0.9. So therefore 0.9 kilometer IU traveled more. Let me explain this whole question once again. There are two students, one is Dinesh, one is IU. Dinesh is traveling via AD to BC and IU is traveling from AD to DC. And the distance traveled by Dinesh is 20.2 kilometer. The distance traveled by IU is 21.1 kilometer. We have done the calculation. I have explained just now. Now, IU traveled more distance by comparing these two. By how much? 0.9 kilometer IU traveled more. And this question completes here. Now, question number 8 of exercise 2.5. Shama bought 5 kg 300 grams of apple and 3 kg 250 grams of mangoes. This is the fruit purchased by Shama. Sarla bought 4 kg 800 grams of oranges and 4 kg 150 grams of bananas. Now, who bought more is the question. Now, let us see. The first statement, weight of fruits bought by Shama. So, what is the weight of the fruit bought by Shama? First is this one, apples, and this is mangoes. So, I will write the answer here of this one. So, 5 kg 300 grams of apple plus 3 kg 250 grams of mangoes. You can see here Shama bought 5 kg 300 grams of apple plus 3 kg 250 grams of mangoes. So what is the total now? We have to do total of this one. So totaling of this will be coming like this here. So I will do total of this here. You can see total here. It comes like this. 5 kg plus 5 kg 300 gram plus 3 kg 250 gram. First we will try to do the addition of the grams. So what is the answer? 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 2 5. Here it comes here 8 kg. What is the answer? The answer is 8 kg 550 grams. Now, same way, weight of fruit, I will write weight fruits bought by Sarla. Therefore, now you can see here the next one. It is 4 kg 800 grams of oranges. How much? 4 kg 800 grams of oranges. So I write here 4 kg 800 grams of orange plus what is here? 4 kg 150 grams of orange bananas. 4 kg 150 grams of banana. Now I have to add these two. You can see the addition I am doing here. 4 kg 800 gram plus 4 kg 150 gram. Now you can see here 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5, 8 plus 1 9, and here 4 plus 4 8. So it is 8 kg 950 grams. Now you can see, therefore, what is the answer? The answer is 8 kg 950 gram is purchased by whom? Sarla. One has purchased 8 kg 550 gram, one has purchased 8 kg 950 gram. Now you can compare these two. The 8 kg is same, but here gram part, who has purchased more? Sarla. So the question is asked here. What is the question? Who bought more? So the answer is therefore Sarla purchased or bought more amount of fruits. I think it is clear to you. 8 kg 550 gram and here 8 kg 950 gram. So who purchased? Sarla bought more amount of fruits. It is not asked here how much. So this question completes here. Now I am coming on question number 9. How much 28 kilometer is less than 42.6 kilometer? So they are asking how much. So we have to find the difference. So you see, we have to subtract. So 42.6 kilometer minus 28. If there is no after this one decimal, so it will be 0. So I will write like this here. I will do subtraction. 42.6 minus 28. 6 minus 0 is 6. Now 12. It comes here becoming 12. And it becomes here 3. 12 minus 8, 4. And here 3 minus 2, 1. So 14.6 kilometer. What is the answer? 14.6 kilometer is the answer. And I have discussed just now with you question number 8 and 9. And this exercise completes over here. I think this is clear to you. And I complete my discussion over here. Thank you.